Hey Warframe warriors! If you're eager to unlock those epic rewards like weapons, cosmetics, or platinum with promo codes in 2025, you've come to the right spot. Warframe keeps evolving, and redeeming codes is a quick way to boost your gameplay. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get those goodies without any hassle. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a Warframe account and the latest game client installed on your PC, console, or mobile device. Start by launching Warframe and logging into your account. If you're on the go, you can also head to the official Warframe website and sign in there. It's super convenient. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Settings or Account section. That's where the magic happens. In most cases, you'll find a tab labeled Promotions or Redeem Code. Click on that, and you'll see a prompt to enter your code. Type in the code carefully, double-check for any uppercase letters or numbers to avoid errors. After entering it, hit the Redeem button and wait for a confirmation message. If everything's good, you'll get a notification that your rewards have been added to your inventory. Remember, some codes might have expiration dates or regional restrictions, so use them ASAP. And if you run into any issues, check the Warframe forums or support page for help. There you have it. That's how easy it is to redeem codes in Warframe for 2025. Now, go grab those rewards and dominate the Origin system. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.